Today we are going to discuss about how to calculate equivalent weights and these equivalent weights to apply acids, bases, salts and oxidizing or reducing agents. That is, different components having different equivalent weights depending on n factor value. Suppose if you take acids, its n factor value depends on basicity. Basicity means releasing of H plus ions. If you take bases, its n factor value depends on acidity. Acidity meaning that is releasing of OH minus ions. If you take salts, its n factor value depends on ions charge, either cations or anions. If you take oxidizing or reducing agents, its n factor value depends on number of electrons involved in a given reaction. Here it is, equivalent weights, any component is equal to molecular weight of given component divided by n factor value. That is, equivalent weights for acids. Equivalent weight of acid equal to molecular weight of given acid divided by n factor value or basicity. Basicity means that is releasing of H plus ions. Here it is n factor. Okay. Example. Suppose HCl. Equivalent weight of HCl equal to molecular weight of HCl is 36.5 by 1. Here it is molecular weight of HCl. Atomic weight of hydrogen is 1 and chlorine atomic weight is 35.5. Totally molecular weight of HCl is 36.5 and here it is n factor value of HCl or basicity of HCl is only 1. That is, HCl releases only one H plus ion and Cl minus ion. That is, n factor value of HCl or basicity of HCl depends on releasing of H plus ions. HCl produces only one H plus ion. That is, n factor value for given HCl equal to 1. 36.5 molecular weight and its n factor value is 1. Totally, equivalent weight of HCl equal to 36.5. Another example. Suppose H2SO4. Here it is H2SO4 molecular weight is 98 and H2SO4 produces 2 H plus ions. Finally, equivalent weight of H2SO4 equal to molecular weight of H2SO4. 2 is 2 hydrogen atomic weights and sulfur is 32 and oxygen 64. Each oxygen having 16 atomic weight and 4 into 16, 64. Okay, that is 98 molecular weight of H2SO4 divided by 2. H2SO4 basicity is equal to 2. That is, H2SO4 produces 2 H plus ions and SO4 minus 2 ions. Here it is H2SO4 producing number of H plus ions equal to 2. That's why its n factor value equal to 2. Finally, equivalent weight of H2SO4 equal to 49. Okay. Another example, that is oxy acids of phosphorus. Here it is H3PO2, H3PO3 and H3PO4. Here it is. These three examples having 3 hydrogens are present, but basicity is not equal to number of hydrogens. Basicity depends only on releasing of H plus ions. That is, H3PO2 produces only one H plus ion and remaining ions are H2PO2 minus and H3PO3 produces 2 H plus ions and remaining is HPO3 minus 2. That is, H3PO4 produces 3 H plus ions and PO4 minus 3. Here it is, basicity of H3PO2 is 1, that is releasing only 1 H plus ion, and H3PO3 basicity equal to and H3PO4 basicity equal to 3. That is, basicity depends only on releasing H plus ions but not number of hydrogens. Here it is, structure of H3PO2 is phosphorus 1 double bond O, 2 hydrogens are directly bonding with phosphorus and 1 OH bond is present in H3PO2. Here it is, these hydrogen directly bonding with high electronegative atom of oxygen. Then that hydrogen will be converted into H plus ion. That's why its basicity equal to 1. Remaining 2 hydrogens are directly bonding with phosphorus. These 2 hydrogens does not produce H plus ions. That is, equivalent weight of H3PO2 equal to, okay, molecular weight of H3PO2. Molecular weight of H3PO2 is 66 and its basicity equal to 1. Finally, equivalent weight of H3PO2 is 66. Next example, that is H3PO3. H3PO3 basicity equal to 2 and its structure will be phosphorus, 1 double bond O, 2 OH bonds present in H3PO3 and 1 hydrogen directly bonding with phosphorus atom. Only these 2 hydrogens are converted into H plus ions. That's why its basicity equal to 2. And then equivalent weight of H3PO3 equal to, that is totally 3 oxygen atoms are present, that is 48 plus 31, 3 hydrogens. Finally, molecular weight of H3PO3 equal to 82 and its basicity equal to 2. Finally, equivalent weight of H3PO3 equal to 41. And then H3PO4. Here it is, basicity of H3PO4 equal to 3, that is phosphorus having 3 OH bonds and 1 double bond O. Okay, totally these 3 hydrogens will be converted into 3 H plus ions. That's why its basicity equal to 3. Then equivalent weight of H3PO4 equal to molecular weight of H3PO4 is 98 divided by 3 is basicity of H3PO4, that is 332.66 is the equivalent weight of H3PO4. That is the equivalent weights for acids. And next, equivalent weights for bases. Bases equivalent weights depends on acidity of bases, that is n factor value. Here it is equivalent weights for bases equal to molecular weight of base divided by acidity. Acidity means releasing of OH minus ions. Suppose example NaOH. Equivalent weight of NaOH equal to molecular weight of NaOH equal to 40 and NaOH produces only 1 OH bond. That's why its acidity equal to only 1. That is 40 is the equivalent weight of NaOH. That is NaOH releases Na plus ions, only 1 OH bond ions. That is its acidity equal to only 1. And next example is magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice. Equivalent weight of magnesium hydroxide equal to molecular weight of magnesium hydroxide divided by acidity. That is 58 divided by 2. 58 is molecular weight of magnesium hydroxide divided by 2. That is 29 is the equivalent weight of magnesium hydroxide. Okay, clear? Next, equivalent weights for salts. Equivalent weight of given salt, equal to molecular weight of given salt divided by charge of cations or anions. Example, NaCl. That is NaCl upon decomposition to produce Na plus and Cl minus ion. Equivalent weight of NaCl equal to molecular weight of NaCl is 58.5 divided by 1. Finally, equivalent weight of NaCl equal to 58.5. Here it is 58.5 is molecular weight of NaCl, 23 sodium and the chlorine is 35.5. Finally, 58.5 is molecular weight of NaCl. Here it is n factor value or charge of cations or anions is equal to 1. That is 1 cation or 1 anion. Okay, its n factor value equal to 1. Finally, equivalent weight of NaCl equal to 58.5. Another example, that is Na2CO3. Upon decomposition of Na2CO3 to produce 2Na plus and CO3 minus 2. Here it is equivalent weight of Na2CO3 is equal to molecular weight of Na2CO3 is 106, 2 sodiums, 1 carbon atom, 3 oxygen atoms. That is 23 plus 23, 46 plus 12, and 48 is 3 oxygen atoms. Finally, 106 is molecular weight of Na2CO3. And its charge of cations or anions is equal to 2. Finally, 53 is equivalent weight of Na2CO3. Another example, that is K2SO4. Upon decomposition of K2S4 to produce 2K plus and SO4 minus 2. Here it is equivalent weight of K2SO4 equal to molecular weight of K2SO4 is 174 divided by its valency or n factor or charge of cations or anions equal to 2. That is 2 into plus 2. Here it is minus 2. Whatever it may be. Finally, its n factor value equal to 2. That is its equivalent weight equal to 87. Okay, clear? In our next video, to discuss equivalent weights of oxidizing or reducing agents and some complicated examples. Okay, see you in next video.